In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contract on DocuSign. This process is not only simple, but also incredibly efficient for getting formal agreements signed digitally. So, whether you're a business owner or just need a contract signed quickly, you'll find this guide handy. Let's dive right in. To start, from your DocuSign homepage, you'll want to click on Browse All Templates. This is your gateway to a variety of pre-built templates designed to simplify the contracting process. By using a template, you save both time and effort, cutting down on the repetitive work of building a contract from scratch. Once you're in the template library, use the search bar to find a contract that suits your needs. For our purposes today, we'll select a standard sales contract. This is an excellent base if you're dealing in sales, but feel free to choose one that fits your specific requirements. Once you find the right contract, click Add Selected. This will load the template ready for customization. Next up, you need to input some critical information into this template. Start by entering the buyer's name and email address. Precision here is vital. Double-check these details to avoid any errors later in the process. Similarly, enter the sender's name and email address. These details will appear on the contract, so ensure they reflect the correct parties involved. Moving on, you'll have the option to edit the email subject and message. This can be incredibly useful if you wish to personalize your communication. A tailored email can convey professionalism and provide the recipient with clear context before they even open the document. If you're satisfied with the subject and message as they stand, you can skip this step. However, it's always nice to take a moment to let the recipient know exactly what they'll be signing. Once everything's set up to your liking, it's time to move forward. You'll want to hit the Next button to proceed with finalizing this process. Let's pause briefly to underscore how DocuSign's platform simplifies contract management. The processes we've walked through not only enhance efficiency, but also enhance security, ensuring that your documents are safe and easily trackable through the system. Moreover, with DocuSign handling the mundane parts of execution, you can shift your focus to more critical tasks, making it a perfect tool for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. There you have it. Creating a contract on DocuSign is straightforward once you know where to start. Thank you for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this system, the more intuitive it will become. Explore additional features and templates as you grow more comfortable, and you'll soon find a DocuSign to be an indispensable tool for managing contracts. Until next time, take care and happy signing.